Hey y'all! So I just took a video of me having fun making bean and cheese burritos, but you can't really see my face. I think it's still a fun video, and it's a pretty cool view, something that I haven't done before, so I hope that you enjoy it, despite my lack of face. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, excuse me, come on your seat. Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. We are cooking bean and cheese burritos and chatting. I'm not teaching you how to make bean and cheese burritos because I'm not a pro. And this lighter sucks, don't judge me. Oh, come on. There we go. This lighter sucks, I need a new one. So yeah, I'm not teaching you how to make bean and cheese burritos because I'm not a cook. I'm just hungry. Whoop! I'm using my backpacking stove. And I'm gonna make like half a can tonight. So yeah, I'm using my MSR Pocket Rocket backpacking stove just to warm up my refried beans. Probably turn it down a little bit. I wanted to cook in my van because it's windy out. So I have cheese, tortillas, and salsa and chips even. As you can see, this is not the sturdiest way of cooking, but it's a great way to cook inside the van as long as you can keep your eyes and hands on it. I also have my my spices here. So I only made half the can of beans, so I'm gonna just save the other half. I want to make them nice and warm, hot, really. Gross. A bug. Hashtag van life. So I think the beans are getting close to done. You know, it doesn't take refried beans long to warm up. Yeah, they're nice and hot. Okay, where is my... There it is. Actually, I think I'll put this over here. And then I'm just going to warm up my tortilla quickly here. It's not like very effective, as you can see, but you know, sometimes in van life we take what we can get. So just warming up my tortilla. I have my salsa and my fixins. Ooh, it's gonna be tasty. Are you excited, Bubba? I have some leftover stuff from my Chipotle Southwest salad that went bad, which I was really sad about. So I think I'm going to use like the tortilla strips inside my burrito. I thought that might be tasty. Okay, so turn off my stove here. I also don't have shredded cheese, so one thing I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make sure I use like all of what I have in my fridge, or most of what I have in my fridge, before I get new food. So I have the sliced cheese, which is the same as the shredded, it's just in slices, so I'm just going to use this for my burrito. Okay. Oh yeah, that's nice and hot. So I think I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning in this. A little bit of garlic, salt, a little bit of a little bit of garlic, I think. Because I love garlic. And I'll do a little bit of my Southwest seasoning just because I can. Give that a nice stir. Oh, I was also going to mix up some salsa in it. I like to actually like mix the salsa into my refried beans. Like I said, I'm not a chef, guys. Don't judge me. But okay. A tortilla. That might be a bit much. Put my cheese on there while it's still warm. A little bit of Parmesan cheese in there. And I think I'll put some tortilla strips to be fancy and bougie, since I have them left over from my salad. Yay! Crunchy bean and cheese burrito. All set to go. And I can share with Winston. What do you think, Bob? Thank you guys for watching. Winston and I make bean and cheese burritos in the van. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I'm about to enjoy my burrito. Be sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, Winston and I will see you guys next time. Bye.